Assalamu alaikum. This math for class 4 and class 5. See the statement: price of 2 cows and 3 goats together is 44,500 taka. Price of 1 goat is taka 4,500. The question: what is the price of 3 goats? Given 2 cows and 3 goats, so we have to find out price of 3 goats. Price of 1 goat 4,500 taka. Therefore price of 3 goats taka 4,500 multiply 3. If we multiply, we will get 13,500 taka. Then what is the price of 1 cow? Given price of 2 cows and 3 goats together 44,500. We have to write price of 2 cows and 3 goats together 44,500 taka, and in A we got price of 3 goats 13,500, price of 3 goats taka 13,500. So if 3 goats we subtract, then we have to subtract 13,500 from 44,500. So left 2 cows, price of 2 cows, then 44,500 minus 13,500, then we are getting 31,000 taka. The price of 2 cows 31,000 taka. Therefore price of 1 cow 31,000 divide 2. If we divide, we will get 15,500 taka. You can divide in rough. See how many goats can be bought by 22,500 taka. By 22,500 taka, how many goats can be bought? So by 4,500 taka, see, we can buy 1 goat. 4,500 is needed for 1 goat. Therefore 22,500 taka needed for 22,500 divide 4,500. You have to divide it separately, then equal to 5 goats. 5 goats can be bought by 22,500 taka, and divide here shown. See, 22,500 divide 4,500. First these 2 zeros and 2 zeros cut. Now divide 45 by 5, we are getting 9, and if we divide 225 by 5, we are getting 45. Now 45 is divided by 9. If we divide 45 by 9, if we divide this 45 by 9, we are getting 5. So 5 goats can be bought. Next system is, each hali of bananas cost taka 20. Mr. Rahim bought 12 hali bananas. How much money did Mr. Rahim spend for buying bananas? He bought 12 hali bananas. Each hali 20 taka. 1 hali 20 taka. See, 1 hali cost taka 20. Therefore 12 hali cost taka 20 multiply 12. See, 12 toes are 24. Then left 0, put 0 here. 240 taka. B. If he distributes 4 hali bananas among 4 persons, how many will be left with him? Each person will get 1 hali and 4 person will get 4 halis. If 4 hali bananas he distribute 4 person, then if he had 12 hali bananas, and he distribute 4 halis, left 8 hali. Here given how many hali left. If question is how many hali left, then left 8 hali, but question is how many will be left, how many, see how many will be left, then 8 hali equal to how many you have to find out, 1 hali equal to 4, 1 hali equal to 4 pieces, therefore 8 hali equal to 4 multiplied 32 pieces, 32 pieces will be left with him. The question is see, if he wants to distribute 1 hali of banana each among 15 persons, each person will get 1 hali, then 15% will get 15 halis. How much more money will he need? How much more money? How many more hali not given? How much more money will he need? More money you have to find out. First see, one person get 1 hali, therefore 15 persons get 1 multiply 15, 15 halis, and he has 12 hali, he needs more 3 hali. Now we have to find out cost of 3 hali. 1 hali cost taka 20, therefore 3 hali cost taka 20 multiply 3, taka 60. Then answer, he will need 60 taka more. Thank you.